In this video, we'll show you how to analyze, filter, and edit your xMap. The real power of an xMap is the flexibility it provides you when it comes to viewing your information in different ways. Here we have our previously created xMap of an onboarding program for new hires. You can view your xMap by any one of the tag groups that you've created. Here we see our timeline view. To change your view, simply click on the pull-down box at the top of the screen and choose another tag group. Here we see our facilitator view. There may be times when you view your map you'll see unassigned activities at the bottom of your screen. Let's take a look at an example. Let's change our view to learning modality, and we'll notice at the bottom of the screen we have an unassigned activity. There are occasions when an activity can be unassigned, but in our example it makes sense to associate our Jeopardy game with the game tag. Simply drag and drop to the appropriate location and release. Once you've assigned all of your activities, you can maximize your xMap space by clicking on the white triangle on the unassigned activities box. In addition to viewing by tag group, we also have the capability of seeing this information in a graphical form. All we have to do is click on Data Visualization, and you'll see a pie chart appear representing the information that we have on our xMap. To change the data visualization, simply close the pie chart, change your view, and click on Data Visualization again. Now we see the activity duration breakdown by facilitator or presenter. One of the most powerful features of xMap is its ability to filter information in different ways. Let's take a look at an example. We're going to go back to our timeline view, and let's say we're asked when the facilitator is going to be the employee supervisor. We simply expand the tag group on the left-hand side, click on Employee Supervisors, and here we can see that xMap has filtered it to show the supervisors will be involved in day 3, 4, and 5. And xMap will allow you to apply as many filters as you wish, whether it's within a tag group or across different tag groups. Let's say, for example, we wanted to know when Facilitator 1 was going to be involved in the same activity as the Employee Supervisor. We've already selected Employee Supervisor as a filter. We can also select Facilitator 1. Here we see there are 5 activities occurring on day 3 and day 4 where both of them are involved. To remove any or all filters, simply click the tag again and it will be deselected. Now we're back to the Employee Supervisors filter. Hey, pay attention! To see multiple filters across tag groups, simply expand another tag group, select another filter, and now we can see from the filters we've selected the supervisors will be in the main training room on days 3 and 4 involved in these activities. When viewing information in xMap, you have 2 tag filter modes. The first one is called highlighting, which we see here. It hides all non-relevant filter information. The second is highlighting. We can choose highlighting by clicking in the lower left corner under Tag Filter Mode, and as you can see, all of the activities are displayed, but only those affected by the filter are highlighted. Now let's go back to our hiding mode. Let's go ahead and remove these filters, and we'll take a look at how filtering can help you improve the experience that you're trying to design. We've opened Learning Modality tag group, and we want to take a look at the instructor-led training portions. We can see that there's a lot of instructor-led training throughout the week, so let's change and improve the experience by changing one of the instructor-led topics to a game. There are 2 ways we can make this change. Let's look at the first way within the filter mode. Let's select the activity we want to change. In this example, we'll choose Living the Brand, and we'll drag our new modality over on top of that activity and release. We'll now have 2 modalities here. We no longer want instructor-led training, so we'll drag that off. And what you'll see here is Living the Brand has disappeared. Why? Because we have an instructor-led training filter applied. By deselecting the filter, you'll see we have Living the Brand, and you see that the change has been made to a new learning modality. The second way we can make this change is by removing all the filters as we've done previously. Selecting our example, in this case, let's choose the Serene Financial Business Model. We can remove the learning modality without risk of it disappearing since there are no filters. And then we can select Game and drag it across on top. We now have changed this modality to Game. In this video, I've covered a couple of basic examples of how you can view, filter, and enhance your experience in xMap. But the real power of having a multidimensional view like the one xMap provides is the ability to see your information in any way you can imagine, and then quickly and easily making decisions and changes to your map to ensure an ideal experience. Thank you for watching. To view more xMap how-to videos, please go to xmapit.com.